Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to create a conditional data consolidation automation. In this automation, basically we will be consolidating the data from the specific worksheets from the multiple workbooks. So for example, that we do have a multiple workbooks. In the multiple workbooks, we do have a multiple worksheets. From those sheets, we do want to get the data and want to consolidate the data only from these specific sheets into this sheet, right? So with the date, with the header and with the sheet name, so that I can easily identify which data set belongs to which sheets, right? So those kind of the automation we have to do today. Let's do it together. So here I do have these workbooks. In these workbooks that I do have multiple worksheets. Let me show you. You look, these are the sheets that we do have, and I want to get the data. I want to get the data into this data tab. Let's do it. Alt F11, write it option explicit sub procedure consolidate data. Okay, dim sh is a worksheet, shn was a worksheet, k as integer, j as integer, dim p as a variant, wkb as workbook, ws is a worksheet. Okay, let's do it. Set sh this workbook dot sheets sheet 1. In the sheet 1 that I do have this worksheet name, that's why I defined sheet 1, because I also want to run the one for next loop in this column. Okay, and for set sh1 this workbook where I would like to put my, where I would like to consolidate my data, that sheet I am referring here as sh1. Okay, p application dot get open file, it should be true. Okay, for k l bound to u bound, lower bound and upper bound. Next k, once my file, and then I would like to open my workbooks dot open p and k. Okay, and after that I would like to run the one loop on for k, for j, from row number 7, from row number 7 to till the end. Okay, rows dot count a dot and excel up dot row, next j. And after that, what I would like to do here, uh, here next we have to run the one collection loop. So for each ws in wkb dot worksheets. Okay, so right here, if ws dot name gets matched with a j dot value, then what should happen, it should simply copy the data range a1 from first header. I would like to copy. Okay, ws dot a1 dot select range dot selection dot and excel to write dot copy. Then I would like to paste here in a b1 dot paste special all. And after that, again I would like to copy my data from ws dot range. Before copying the data, I would like to get my sheet name, sh1 dot range b10 lakh 48,576 dot and excel up, instead of b right here a, because I would like to also print my workbook worksheet name, and not and offset 1 comma 0 dot value will be ws dot name. Okay, and after that I would like to copy my data from ws dot range a1 dot current region dot offset, without header I would like to copy. And then again I would like to paste in a from b10 lakh 48,576 dot and excel up dot offset to 1 comma 0 paste special all. Okay, and after that I would like to also drag my sheet name. So from b10 48576 dot and excel up dot and offset 0 minus 1 dot select range dot selection and excel up dot fill down. After that, what I would like to have first, if we do have a single record, then there is no sense to fill down, otherwise header will keep on repeating. Okay, if dot value is blank, then it should happen, else not. Okay, dragging method. Okay, and after that, end if. Simple. Next say, after that, what you have to do, you have to also close your workbook. Application dot display alert equal to wkb dot close false. Application dot display alerts equal to true. Message box done. Now let's see, is it really working for us or not. I just saved it. Okay, I just saved it. Now let me click here. I don't have any data so far. Yes, click here. It says there's some problem for each. Okay, so here I have not closed next ws. Okay, next ws. Now let's run it. I'm just selected this data. It says there are some problems, so here we also have to, this workbook dot activate, then sh1 dot select. Okay, now let's rerun. Before starting, I would like to clear my sheet, and sh1 dot range in a1 I would like to also give the name as sheet name. Okay, now let's run it. Still have some problem. ws dot relax, so wkb dot activate, the workbook should be activated. Now let's run f5. Still wkb dot activate, then ws dot select. Sheet also should selected, just because of that I think it's not getting selected. Okay, now run f5. Okay, you look, now data is being consolidated successfully. But now let's run it. Okay, now let's increase the speed of this course by writing two more lines. Application dot screen updating false, then true. Okay, now save it and click here and consolidate these data, these three workbook data, and let's see how quickly it happens. Okay, we don't want any kind of other sheet data out of, because these are the sheets names which we have specified in the a column. These are the sheets data only we want to consolidate into the data tab. Okay, that's what actually also we will check. Okay, post consolidation we also will do the validation here. Just a wait. Now I think it's done. Now let's make the unique of sheet name and paste it here just to check, and let's do the VLOOKUP. Do we have only these sheets? And just freeze it. Yes, only these sheets, right? Out of these sheets, for example, I only want to get the data, I want to get the data only of for these three worksheet. Now click here. Now select. Now let's see. This is amazing. This will help you to consolidate the data from the multiple worksheet, okay, from the multiple workbook, only for the specific sheet that you will have the data consolidation. Now only three sheets you have: cd checking IRA, cd checking IRA. This is something which will help you to consolidate your data very quickly. Okay, and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. All right, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.